And there you have it. That's pretty much everything you need to know to start succeeding on Kindle. To summarize what we've learned, create a book in the right niche. Choose a small niche, but one with broad enough appeal. Pick a niche that allows you to easily use your existing contacts to promote it. Make sure your book is well written and edited and that it offers something genuinely new for your audience. Outsource the creation of your book if necessary. Think of ways to reuse content and to get maximum profit for your investment. Format your book using the strict guidelines provided by Amazon. Create a great cover, description, and so on. Subtly use key phrases. Consider the correct pricing and whether you should enroll into Kindle Select. Run promotions to maximize downloads, ratings, and momentum. Promote your book externally through social media, YouTube, your blog, other sites, etc. Then rinse and repeat. This is an incredibly exciting and rewarding way to make money online, and with the right approach and a well-written book, it can also be incredibly profitable and it can facilitate a true passive income. Everyone's got a book in them. It's time to get yours out.